Hello, students! Yay! I love being a pickle. Okay, yesterday we talked about, last video, we talked about this problem right here. The Kerwoods going to Chili's and paying a tip. So we did that in 2 steps. Today I'm going to show you, or this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in 1 step, the shortcut. So Mr. Acton spent $205.60 at Target. If the sales tax is 6%, what was her final bill? Oh, Mrs. Acton. So let's take a look at what that means. So we have 200, and what was that? $205.60 at Target. All right, I got a minute into this and I thought, why am I doing this live? I could redo it, I could do it and then give you the answers. So we were talking about, you may remember, I forgot because I did all this. Miss Acton spent $205.60 at Target. Her sales tax was 6%. What's her final bill? So just like the tip we did just before, we find 6% of $205.60, which is 6 over 100, or multiplying by 0.06, because 6 over 100 and 0.06, these are the same things. So if I do that, I get, wait a second. If I do that, then I'm going to add that to my original. So I'm going to have $205.60 plus 6% of $205.60. I mean, why am I doing 2 steps? Right? This should have parentheses around it. All right. So basically what I'm saying is if I have 100% and I'm adding 6% onto that 100%, so I end up with a total of 106%. Right? So let's do that. Let's do that as a shortcut. Instead of doing 2 steps, I'm going to say, what is 106% of $205.60? So that's $205.60 times 106 over 100. If I divide those, I get 1.06 to put in my calculator. So I'm going to stick that in my calculator and I get, well, here was the original step up here, right? If I did 205.60 times 0.06, I get 12.336. And if I add those together, I get $217.36. And if I do 205.60 times 1.06, I get $217.936. Well, that's got to be fixed anyhow. But you notice how this was 2 steps and this was just 1 step. Okay. The 2 steps is because this 1233.36 was the first step. Okay. So her final bill was $217.94 because I took the 217.936 and I rounded this 3 to a 4 because this is a 6. Okay. So the final bill was $217.94. And I did that in 1 step by saying her original price of $205.60 times 1.06, 106%, was $217.94. All of these tax and tips problems can be simplified into 1 step if I add my original price plus my percentage. It also works in the discount prices, but I'm not going to add my price to the original 100%. I'm going to subtract it. We'll try that in 1 second.